Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching Digital Soheb. So in this video, I'm gonna review one tool that will help you to automate your platform, that will allows user to utilize their internet as their own data source, leverage ready-made automation to scale time consuming tasks, scale any website, find targeted leads and enrich data in minute. So with this platform, there is a no coding, no hiring, just Legio style blocks you can put together to create your perfect workflow to automate repetitive tasks at scale. So your team can focus on higher value work, right? So this video is very important for you. I will review this tool completely in this video. The tool name is Haxomatic, okay? And how this tool will help you to automate your work, I will explain just in this video. So watch this video till the end so that you can get clear idea about this tool and how you can use it, how this tool is helpful for you, and how you can automate your all work, how you can make your work easy to use with the help of this automation tool, right? So without getting any delay, let's jump into it. Harness the internet as a data source with no code data extraction and workflow automation. If you're trying to find and combine information from different places at scale is like looking for your glasses after a wild night out, I have never been so sympathetic to Velma before in my life. And spending precious hours on manual tasks like data entry, finding prospects, researching contact details, and auditing website isn't exactly a great use of your work week. What if there was a way to automate all your time consuming sales, marketing and research tasks? So meet with Haxomatic. So this is the website of Haxomatic. You can create your own bots in minutes to extract data from any website and leverage 60 plus ready-made automation to scale time-consuming tasks on autopilot. Haxomatic works 24 hours from the cloud, no complex software or coding required, right? So if you want to use this tool, so you can start for free. But if you want to see their roadmap, their automation, pricing plan, so first of all we will talk about their pricing plan, how much they are charging from you. If you will go with free plan, so what you can do with this free plan, you can export to CSV and Google Sheet, notification to Telegram, scale email, get access all community automation recipes, right? And if you will go with their paid plan, so they have three paid plans: bronze, silver and gold. If you will go with bronze plan, so you have to pay $20 monthly, and what you will get in this plan: automation credits, monthly revenue quota, simulation running workflows, scheduling, access premium automation, require premium credits, access residential pixels, required premium credits, right? And if you will go with silver plan, so you have to pay almost $41 monthly. And if you will go with gold plan, so you have to pay $82.5 monthly. And all these works you can do with all these packages. And also they are giving you a 30 days money back guarantee if you buy their tool. But I have an amazing deal also for you. If you want premium features for this tool, so you can buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo Marketplace is a platform where you can buy all digital tool to automate your businesses. By using all these tools, so you can automate your entire business. AppSumo is a trusted, valuable, reputed digital marketplace for entrepreneurs, right? If you will buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace, so you will get this tool for a lifetime. Yeah, right. AppSumo is offering you lifetime deal. But if you will go directly from their official website, so you have to pay monthly, month on month, year on year, and on a recurring basis you have to use, you have to renew, and after that you can use this tool. But if you will go this lifetime plan, so their lifetime starting plan is from $98, right? And they have three license: single, double and multiple. If you will go with single, so you have to pay $98. If you want to go with double plan, so you have to pay $196. And if you want to go with multiple plans, so you have to pay $294, right? And also you can select your code. If you want more code, so you can go with 10 codes, so you have to pay $980 monthly. No, $980 for one time, okay? And with all these things, also they are giving you a 60 days money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied after buying this tool, so you can get back your refund, right? And now we will see this tool inside the dashboard. how you can use and what features you will get in this tool. Okay, so guys, right now I'm inside the dashboard. You can see all the features and all the options that you can use, right? I'm in a dashboard. So now you can check your credit uses here, okay, traffic uses, okay, and success in progress, fail poses, everything you can track here, right? And if we go with the workflows, so here you can create your new workflows, and you can also check your old workflows that you have created before. Okay, and if we talk about scrapping recipes, so you can create your new recipes here, right? And if you will go with automation, so you can automate your AI audio transcription, AI optical character recognition, okay, AI text to speech, AI image labeling, AI image safety, and all these work you can do with this tool. Okay, Discord, simply you just integrate your platform with all these features, right? And after that you can automate your entire platform that you are using continuously, right? And here, and if you talk about Axomatic Academy, so they are also giving you trainings. They have training videos also, so you can watch all these videos, and after that you will be able to use this tool comfortably. So here you can set up your email notification, all integration you can do with Google, Discord, Telegram, Slack, okay? And here you can create your own API keys, right? If you talk about their plan and features, so this tool is really amazing for you. This tool is very helpful for you if you really want to automate your work. If you stuck any of the point, so you can chat with them, and you can chat from here. If you can see left bottom corner, you can email them. Here you can check your all plans, and you can use this tool dark mode, right? So many things you can do with this tool, many features they are giving you. If you compare their features with this tool price, so this tool is worthful according to price. Yeah, that was the review about this tool. And if you want to know more about this tool, so you can join their Axomatic Academy, okay? You can be trained by them. And if you want to buy this tool for a lifetime, if you want to really automate your work, so you can buy directly from AppSumo. I have mentioned my affiliate link in my video description. If you will buy this tool from that link, so I'll get some commission out of your purchase, but it will not cost you more than that. If you are paying for this tool $98, so you have to pay only $98. But a small commission amount will help me to improve my channel, right? So hope you understood about this tool. And if you want to know more, so you can check some more tutorials. You can search this tool in a Google. Many more things you will get with this tool. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, so give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I will be reveal my new video, so you will get a notification. Okay, hit the notification bell also. Okay, so I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.